Hive has been treated. We did have to exterminate, but it was a wheelbarrow that was sitting face down on the ground. Mean bees. But we will come in and pull this hive out of there. But it's huge, enormous. The whole length of the wheelbarrow. 100 pounds easy. You see that light colored honeycomb on the bottom? That's the new hive. Within the last month or so, that's what they've built. This darker hive is old hive. That's probably a year old. That real dark brown is probably about a year old. But we're A.S.A.P bee removal. Happy customer at the end of the day is what we're all about. And this was an elderly lady living in Paradise Valley on her own, and just a real health hazard for her if she was to try and use this wheelbarrow without really knowing if the bees were there. So inspect your property from time to time, and these are the things that you look for. You got bees coming and going from an uncommon area, unnatural area. Don't don't mess with it. Call A.S.A.P.